you want to learn how to steam perfect latte art milk? I got you. The first thing we're going to need is a steam wand. It doesn't matter how many holes your steam wand has, just so long as it's a steam wand. First, we're going to portion out our milk. I'm also using a scale, but when in doubt, about a centimeter under the spout. Next, we're going to use a towel to expel any water that might be in our steam wand. Then you're going to take your pitcher and position it against the spout. Then we're going to start with the tip into the center of the pitcher, and we're going to lean it to one side. It doesn't matter which side, and you're going to turn on your steam wand. Begin gentle injections, and I mean gentle injections on the side of your steam pitcher. Move your pitcher down ever so slightly as you're injecting air because the milk's volume will increase. And you're going to keep adding air in this position until you've either reached the amount of air you need or your milk is warm to the touch. After that, you're going to raise your pitcher back up, which is going to cover those steam holes. And instead of leaving it right there, I like to position my pitcher where the steam tip is in the top left middle of the pitcher. This is going to help create a more vigorous vortex. It also works better when the steam wand is positioned lower, which is going to help pull bubbles from the top into the center of the vortex. And once you find your vortex, you're going to be as still as possible. I like to use my pinky as stabilization on the bar. And you're just going to stay here until the milk has gotten to pretty much whatever temperature you want, but I would say no higher than 155 Fahrenheit or 68 degrees Celsius. And give it one more spray into the tray. And that, my friends, is how you make beautiful, beautiful textured milk. Make sure to save this video, that way next time